Inclusion's powered by physical literacy, but they're also really mutually inclusive concepts and mutually beneficial concepts. So physical literacy by definition is inclusive. And as you look at some of the definitions around the world, you'll see that inclusion's often included in the definition of physical literacy. But on the flip side of that, if you create and develop physical literacy, you actually also create inclusion in society. It allows people to participate in life, participate in sport and physical activity, vocations, be engaged with their children or their peers. So it really facilitates inclusion across the lifespan. The key message for leaders is to really think about how they create a participant-centered approach, really focusing on what an individual needs to thrive in their environment and to feel really like they can bring their whole selves, which facilitates not only movement skill development, but confidence and the motivation to stay engaged.